Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 Home and Pro Edition without internet connection. So as of now, Microsoft has set limitation for Windows 11 Home Edition users to be connected to internet connection to complete the installation of Windows 11. But starting with Windows 11 build 22557, the company has applied the same restriction for Windows 11 Pro Edition users as well. In case you want to install Windows 11 without internet connection, then there is a quick workaround using which you can complete the installation. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So when you are trying to set up Windows 11 without internet connection, you will reach this screen with a message that oops, you have lost internet connection. Now if you click on retry button, you will see this screen. Let's connect you to a network. Now here you can see that there is no internet connection available. So to bypass this restriction, we are going to tweak a quick setting here, and for that you need to type shift plus F10 key to launch a command prompt. In case it's not working for you, then you need to use function plus shift plus F10 key, and you can see that this will open command prompt. Now here you need to type OOBE forward slash bypass NRO and hit enter. So you can see that the command executed successfully, and this will restart your computer. So after restart, if you set up your device again and reach the screen, this time you will find this option that I don't have internet. So you need to click here. Now click on continue with a limited setup. So you can see that you are able to bypass the internet connection restriction, and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Windows 11. So this is all about the workaround. You need to keep this thing in mind that this workaround works only in Windows 11 build 22557 or above. So that's all about this video. Give it a try. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.